Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to develop a complete restaurant website using Claude desktop on Mac entirely through the voice command. No keyboard needed, just built on app just by talking Claude code. I develop the application using the Claude Cowork. Okay, let's build. This is the Cloud desktop applications, and first of all select the work directory. I select the directory from here, the project directory Fever House. Now let's command. I just enable the voice mode press to function. uh, Create a single page restaurant website called Fever House. Include a hero section with a background image and about section, a menu section with a appetizer, main course and dessert, a reservation form, a contact form with the address and phone number. Use a home color schema with dark brown and gold accent. Make it modern, elegant with a smooth scroll navigation. So I put the instruction by the voice mode. Let's disable the voice mode. Press double function. Already start to build my application. So how can enable the voice mode on Cloud desktop? First of all, go to the spotlight search and direction settings, enable the direction and let's search the keyboard and open the setting and ensure the keyboard setting is press function and select from the start direction from press must be enabled this section and ensure your Cloud desktop setting general and ensure no shortcut is setting. So we can develop any application using the enable the voice mode. That helps to development faster and save time. Thank you. Let's see my application is building. Thank you.